In a typical working week, the studio staff consumes 4,000 quartos of animation paper, 40 gross of assorted color crayons, and 49,000 reams of celluloid.
Is that so?
60,000 pounds. Like trash. And all I left you another one. Come on, step it up, boys. Step it up. Hold. Okay. Come on, boys. Clean around, old man. Don't get around much. Speed!
Okay, Eddie, let's try it again. A little more pressure. Please.
Look out! Watch yourself. Don't be afraid. I'm only the train whistle.
Well, they certainly have improved the looks of them since I was a boy. What goes on around here?
We're making the sound for a cartoon train. Look, I'll show you.
All aboard! All aboard! Clear the track! Here I go!
Well, does that come natural, or is that something you picked up in high school?
Oh, anybody can do it. The train sounds are all on here. And you hold these over your vocal cords and move your lips, like this. Hello. Hello. Don't you want to try it?
No, I wouldn't know what to say.
Oh, say anything. Only don't really talk. Just make believe.
I'm tickled now. What do I say? Friends, Romans, countrymen?
Anything.
Friends, Romans, countrymen.
See how easy it is?
Pardon me, Mr. Benchley. This is your score, Doris. I've got all the cues marked in, I think. You come in right after the fourth beat there, okay?
Okay, Frank.
Let's give it a lot of personality now.
All right, ready, everybody.
Casey Jr. I used to know his old man.
All right, boys, let's go for a rehearsal. Lights. Picture.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All aboard! All aboard!